Experiencing headlight problems with your Tesla Model S? You're not alone. Many owners face issues like one headlight going out, flickering, or general dimness. This video will guide you through diagnosing and fixing these common problems, focusing on LED module failures, software glitches, and moisture-related issues. We'll cover everything from simple software fixes to more involved hardware replacements. Unlike traditional headlights that use simple bulbs, the Tesla Model S features an advanced LED matrix system. This consists of multiple LED lights arranged in a grid, allowing for more precise control over illumination. The system is controlled by an electronic control unit, or ECU, which manages power distribution and lighting patterns. This enables sophisticated features like adaptive high beams that adjust based on traffic and road conditions. Additional features include cornering lights that illuminate around bends and automatic switching between high and low beams. These capabilities make the headlights more intelligent and safer. The headlight system draws power from the vehicle's 400-volt battery pack, making it sensitive to voltage fluctuations. Variations in power can affect LED performance and lead to issues like flickering. This complexity means that diagnosing problems requires understanding both the hardware components and software control. Proper diagnosis helps identify whether issues stem from the LED modules, control systems, or power supply. Start diagnosing Tesla Model S headlight problems by checking for error codes using an OBD2 scanner. A common code is B10A0, which indicates headlight faults. Next, perform a visual inspection of the headlight housing. Look for condensation inside, which can indicate moisture ingress. Check for burnt solder on circuit boards and inspect connectors for corrosion. These visual clues help identify the root cause of the issue. When software fixes aren't enough to resolve Tesla Model S headlight issues, hardware repairs become necessary. The most common hardware solution is replacing the LED module itself. Hardware repairs are typically required when the LED module itself is damaged. Common causes include thermal overload from prolonged use, moisture getting into the headlight housing, or defects in the module's control board that can't be fixed through software alone. Tesla has issued a voluntary recall under TSB 25-02001 to address LED module failures in many Model S vehicles. This recall covers units where the headlight modules fail due to thermal overload, and Tesla provides free replacement at authorized service centers. The replacement LED module, part number 136784-00A, features significant improvements over the original design. It includes enhanced thermal dissipation to prevent overheating, better moisture-resistant seals to avoid corrosion, and is backward compatible with older Model S vehicles. Due to the high-voltage nature of Tesla vehicles, professional installation is strongly recommended for LED module replacements. The headlight system connects to the vehicle's 400-volt battery pack, so always disconnect the battery before attempting any work to avoid electrical hazards. When dealing with Tesla Model S headlight repairs, deciding between DIY and professional service depends on the complexity of the task and your comfort level with electronics. Simple tasks like checking electrical connections, drying out moisture that has entered the headlight housing, or performing basic visual inspections are generally safe for DIY enthusiasts with basic tools. However, LED module replacements and other complex hardware repairs are best left to professionals. The Tesla Model S operates on a 400-volt system, posing serious risk of high-voltage shock if not handled properly. Professional technicians have the expertise to safely work with high-voltage systems, maintain your warranty coverage, and use specialized tools for accurate diagnostics. This minimizes the risk of causing additional electrical or mechanical problems. Ultimately, choose DIY for straightforward tasks to save time and money, but opt for professional service for LED module replacements and any work involving the vehicle's high-voltage electrical system to ensure safety and reliability. Tesla is shifting towards software-dominated solutions for headlight problems, with over-the-air updates addressing most issues without hardware intervention. Future material advancements include gallium nitride LEDs for superior efficiency and tighter waterproofing standards to combat moisture-related failures. By 2030, AI integration and full electrification could virtually eliminate headlight failures in Tesla vehicles. For older Model S models, expect a rise in affordable aftermarket parts using recycled materials.